how to screen record on an iPhone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the built-in screen recorder on your iPhone so that you can record anything on your screen as well as include your microphone if you want to. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So the first thing we need to do is open up the control menu, and we can do that by swiping down from the top right until you see a menu like this. Now, once the control menu is open, we're simply looking for an icon like that. So it should be a white circle with another circle around it. And if I select it, it'll start counting down and then it will screen record. And if I long press that button, it opens up another menu that allows me to enable or disable the microphone that'll be included in the screen recording. So anything you say around your phone will be included in the screen recording. And you can also do it in specific apps, things like that, and start recording that way. Now, if you don't have this icon on your control menu, just simply select the plus icon in the top left, and then go to the bottom and select Add a Control. From there, just search Record. You should see screen recording come up. Go ahead and select it, and then you'll see it added to your control menu where you can move it around if you want to by long pressing it and just dragging it wherever you want. Then to save it, just select a blank area of the control menu, and then it will be saved, and you can now screen record on your iPhone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.